Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to install Windows 11 via clean install with a bootable USB flash drive. All right, so the first step in this process is to actually create the bootable flash drive. So we'll quickly run through this and then we'll move on to the next step. But before we get into that, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows 11 or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna need is a USB drive, and we'll need a computer to install the operating system onto. And make sure that the drive that you have has a minimum of 8 gigabytes. All right, so once you have everything you need, we're gonna start by going to this link right here. We'll put it on the screen for you guys. And we're going to download the installation media tool from Microsoft. All right, so once we're on this page, we'll scroll down just a little ways to right here. We want the Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Press download now. And we can go ahead and minimize this and go to our downloads folder. So we'll go over to downloads, media creation tool.exe. We can just run this. There's no need to do an installation. So we'll double click to open it up. Press yes. And another quick mention before we actually make anything happen is that when you do this, it's going to completely format your drive. So if you have any important information on here, make sure to back it up first or use a brand new drive so that you don't accidentally lose any data. All right, so with this screen, we'll press accept. And then at this point, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the drive. And once you have the drive plugged in, uncheck the use the recommended options for this PC, and then we can go ahead and press next. All right, and then on this page, we're going to go with the USB flash drive and we'll press next. This is a pop-up just letting me know that the drive is going to be formatted. So again, I'm going to press next. All right, and we'll see you guys once this is complete.